Alright, wanted to go over the new transmission I finished for the dual motor Rustler this season. It's going to be a Mod 1 internal gearbox with a relatively new design on that top shaft that I'd like to cover and go over with everybody. Alright, let me open this thing up here. There's that part of it. Okay. There's the inside. (32, 16, 12) is the gearing. And I'm going to show you all my top shaft design. I think we've seen enough of the gearbox. Y'all know how that's done. Trying to lose my washer on the back side there. Okay. Everybody does these Mod 1 transmissions. They put the pin back in that transmission. That's the weak point. You know, it's either the internals in the diff or the pin on that top shaft. I mean, that's the weak points in those things. And I see people put the Mod 1 gears and that's all good, and they put that pin right back in there. I'm not down to anybody. I'm just, if this works, this is something we should all go to. Basically what's done here is a piece of titanium with a flat spot cut all the way down through it, and I used a 12 techno gear and had to shave a little meat off of this end and a little bit off this end, and then I re-bevel cut the gears on the side, and voila. And I think that's as tight as you're going to get it for that top shaft. Excuse my stack of bearings there. Just so happens 3 bearings and the nylon or whatever kind of washer that, you know, comes in these gearboxes. That little plastic one, it worked perfect as spacers. So no play, side to side. Okay, there's that. Next thing I'm gonna cover in this video, the new dual motor Rustler plate. Cut out of a piece of billet. The plate I was running last season, I honestly couldn't put enough power down. The motors were flexing the plate. When the gears were hitting, when the pinion gears would run on the spur gear, you could literally watch the cans flex apart from each other as I got on the throttle. So I was really limited on how much I could pull the throttle last year. No, not this season. And again, I'll pause it right there so you can get a good look. I hope this helps y'all.